What's up YouTube? Welcome to another room tour. As you can see, this is a new room. I moved in June. I still live in the East Village and I'm still paying about the same, but this room is different. It's new and I want to give you a tour. And just FYI, I'm filming this entire video on the DJI Osmo Pocket. It's sitting on my dresser right now. Face tracking is on, so I can move side to side and even up and down, and it still tracks me. That's pretty cool. So the first thing you'll notice about my bedroom is the full-size bed. I've got my floral comforter here. I'm a big fan of floral prints. It's a pretty comfortable bed. And then I've got a window here, which the view is, yeah. Up here I've got shelving. That top shelf is just kind of like, you know, miscellaneous objects. And then we've got a shoe shelf over there. You'll see some Jordans. I've got some Adidas over here as well. Got my Supreme newspaper stack over there. And then I've got some linens, some books, an old iPhone 6S box. And then over here is my outerwear. I'm a big fan of outerwear. I've got a ton of really cool clothing pieces that I've collected over the years. Supreme. It's my friend's Plant-Based Gang hoodie. This is a Nike jacket. TwitchCon. Casey gave me this. Supreme jacket. This is one of my favorite pieces. Some Supreme clothes, more Supreme, more Nike. Leather jacket over here. Boring Company jacket. More Supreme. My jungle jacket. This thing is dope. And then my my J. Crew suit right over there. And then moving to the left of the bed, we have two shelves over here. More shoes, you might recognize these from the first room tour, and then more miscellaneous objects like Boring Company candy, some colognes. This is my go-to cologne, by the way, Jean Paul Gaultier, in case you were curious. And then down here, I've got a water bottle, got my speed cube, bunch of hats, and then a humongous dresser. I mean, this thing is quite large. It's almost as tall as me. I mean, it's big. And I just wanted to show you one of my drawers. It's all of my t-shirts. I like the way they're folded like this. Instead of kind of stacking them on top of each other, I can pretty much see what everything is. Highly recommend folding your shirts like this if you keep them in a drawer. And then over here is sort of my nightstand, objects that I access kind of on the daily basis, like deodorant, Apple Watch, phone, wallet, etc. And then moving over to the closet, yep, you guessed it, more shoes. And then this is my wardrobe. This thing hanging out here is Supreme. This is also Supreme. This is Supreme. This is Supreme. What else is Supreme in here? This is Supreme. These are, I leave my closet open so I can have easy access. I don't really mind that the closet door is open. And then I use the closet door as a giant coat hook. That's my winter North Face. I've had that jacket for like a decade at least. So yeah, that's a very quick look at my room. Comment if you want to see a full apartment tour. This is not my entire apartment. The bathroom's right over there. There's a whole living room and kitchen out there and a second bedroom. This is not my entire apartment, just my bedroom. Now, I'm going to go take a nap, hit that subscribe button, smash like, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.